Okay, friend, today chapter 6th, we are discussing the chapter 6th, and in chapter 6th we are discussing about the square and square root. So in last chapter lecture we are finding the odd number. Same thing at here. Without adding, find the sum. Without adding question is without add. So without add, how I know that how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have to write it here. Answer is 20. So now if you will add for checking purpose, 7 plus 3 that is 10, 9 plus 1 that is 10, plus 5 25. So 5 square, how many terms are there? 5. So 5 square that is 25. So it is a one type of questions they ask without adding, find the sum. So just you have to count how many terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 square is 25. I think it's exercise 6.1. It is question number 7. So first of all, complete the exercise 6.1, question number 1 to 7, 6. Then start this. Now you can do it yourself here. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many terms are there? 10. So 10 square is 100. So if I will add this, how I will, for checking purpose, don't do like that. 19 plus 1, that is 20. 17 plus 3. So I am writing here 1 plus 19, that is 20. 3 plus 17, again 20. 5 plus 13, again 20. 7 plus, 5 plus 15, I have to write it here. 5 plus 15, 20. 7 plus 13, 20. 1 plus 19, 20. 3 plus 17, 20. 5 plus 13, 20. 7, 5 plus 15, 20. 7 plus 13, 20. 9 plus 11, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 20 into 5. Answer is 100. But don't do by this way. Just do it by this way. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 square is 100. Now do it yourself this. How many terms are there? Question number 3. We have to first count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 square is 144. So we can get answer 144. Now for checking, it's a checking purpose. 1 plus 23, 3 plus 21, 5 plus 19, 7 plus 17, 9 plus 15 and 11 plus 13. All are 24. 24, 24, 24, 24, 24. How many 24 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But directly we can write 12 square is 144. So without adding, we can directly count the digit and square it. You will get answer. Next, find the square of the number. So find the square of the following number without actual multiplication. So 30, here I am writing 39 square. So 30 plus 9. How we can do it? So here it is square. So 30 plus 9 all to square. It means I have to write 2 times. Now if I will open the bracket, 30 into 30 plus 9 plus 9 into bracket 30 plus 9. So 900, 270, open the bracket, 270 plus 81. Now I have to count it. So 900, 270, 270 and 81. So 1, 15 plus 7, 22, carry 2, 11 and 1, 5, 2, 1. Again I am explained 39 square, 30 plus 9 whole to square, 30 plus 9 2 times because here square. So 2 bracket I have to write and then open 30 in bracket 30 plus 9 plus 9 in bracket 30 plus 9. Then I have to multiply it. So 900, 270, 270 and 81. So if add it, then I will get answer 1521. So for checking purpose, we can know 39 square. So 81, 9, 27, 54. One, 5, 2, 1. Okay, so formula related it, that is A. Now I am writing the formula A plus B whole to square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. That is a formula. A plus B whole to square is equal to A square. Now I have to write it here 30 plus 9. You can write any number. 39 means you can also write 40 minus 1. 32 plus 7 you can write. So but easy way is 0. So I am just write the formula and put a value. So again 900 plus 3 to ja 6, 6 9 ja 54, 540 plus 9. So if you will add it, we can get 1521. So two sums are there. Out of it, one sum I am completed at here, and then now try to second the second. Everyone understand or not? 39 square, 30 plus 9 whole to square, 30 plus 9 2 times I have to write and open the bracket. We can get answer 1521. But one formula A plus B whole to square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. We can do it by both way. We can do it by both way and we can get same answer. Now again one more sum related is, that is 42. So I think when you visualize it, try to solve this. 40 plus 2 whole to square I can write now. And by applying the given formula, that is I am written at here, you can solve it. So you can solve it. If you will see properly, one formula already described here, that is A plus B whole to square. So A plus B whole to square, then A square plus B square plus 2AB. So if you will see properly, now I am writing it here. 42 means 40 plus 2 whole to square. So formula is 40 square plus 2 into 40 into 2 plus 2 square. 40 square, that is 1600. 40 into 2, 80, 80 into 2, 160 plus 2 square is 4. So now I have to add. So 1764. Answer is 1764. So by shortcut method we can also find out 42 square. We have to multiply 2 square at here, that is 4. Here multiply 4 square is 16. Cross multiplication, that is 8 2 is 16, that is 1764. It means my answer is correct. One more sums like that. Chalo. Question number 8. Express 49 as a sum of 49 as a sum of 7 odd number. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 13. Now if we will total, we can get 49. Express 49 as a sum of, because we know that it is a square of 7. So 7 term we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If we total it, 1 plus 9, that is 10. 1 plus 9, that is 10. Or we can say 1 plus 13, that is 14. 3 plus 11, that is again 14. 5 plus 9, again 14. Plus 7. So 49. Again the question answer is what we have to write this way. This is the answer. Just write 49 is equal to, we know that 49 is a square of 7. So 7 terms odd you have to write. Now question is 121. So it is a square of 11. So 11 term you have to write 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 121, 11 terms are there. 11 terms are there. So if you will check properly, we can get always 121. So we will check that 21. Chalo. 1 plus 21, that is 22. 19 plus 3, 3 plus 19, again 22. 5 plus 17, again 22. 7 plus 15, again 22. And 9 plus 13, again 22. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 22 5s are 110. Plus 1, 11 is remaining. So if I will add 11, I will get 121. So mostly question I have completed. You have to complete this in your fair book. Now last, how many terms lies between the square? Already we have a formula 2n. Formula is like that, n square and n plus 1 whole to square. Then answer is 2n, between n square and n plus 1 whole square. So 12 square and 12 plus 1 square. So answer is 2n. So here n is equal to what? 12. So 2 into 12, that is 24 terms. 24 terms, answer is 24 terms lies between the square of 12 and 13. How many terms are there? 24 terms. Why? Formula is 2n. Formula is 2n. Now second question, 25 and 26. So 25 square and 25 plus 1 square. Then answer is 2n. So n is equal to 25. So 2 into 25, that is 50 terms lies between 25 square and 26 square. 25 square is 625 and 26 square is 676. So between these, how many terms are there? 50 terms are there. Always remember, perfect square. Now last, 99 square, here you have to write square, and 100 square. So 99 square and 99 plus 1 square. So answer is 2n. So 2 into 99. So 9 to the 18, carry 1, 9 to the 18 plus 19, 198 terms lies between 99 square and 100 square. Always remember, this is the, I think exercise is complete now. You have to solve it yourself and submit.